Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your personal details on your Allegro account. Once you've created a brand new Allegro account and sign in, then in order to add your personal details, just click the drop down on the upper right hand side, and from here switch to account on the top there. As you can see, there's two tabs, buy-in and account. Switch to account, then click on my account. Now from here guys, you'll find a lot of personal details here under the account settings. You have your data. So if you click there, you will be able to add in things such as your first and last name. You can add a phone number. You can also set a login name if you so desire. And if you scroll down, you also have, for example, your address. You can click on set address and you can fill in your address details from here, right? You can always add new address to switch between various as well. If you go back under the settings section, guys, you also have the option to add your payment method, or you also have the option to add your payment card. So simple click on that and you can click add new card and you can fill in your card details and save it right from here. And basically all these things you can easily add here from your account settings so that you can easily check out once you're going to pay for any product that you have purchased. Right, and that's it guys. That's how to easily fill out your account details or your personal details here on Allegro account. Very easy and very simple.